Join me as I dive deep into the factors that influence our pricing decisions and see if I can uncover what's really driving them. Pricing decisions are a crucial aspect of business strategy. The price you set for your product or service can make or break your business. It's a delicate balance between earning a profit and staying competitive in the market. But have you ever stopped to think about what really goes into making those pricing decisions? Many businesses think they're making informed pricing decisions, but often they're based on misconceptions or incomplete information. For instance, some companies believe that the lowest price always wins, or that undercutting the competition is the key to success. But is that really the case? Or are there other factors at play that we're not considering? Another common mistake is thinking that pricing is just a numbers game. We get caught up in calculating production costs, material expenses, and labor hours, without stopping to think about the psychological and emotional factors that influence customer purchasing decisions. And let's not forget about the competition. How do they set their prices, and how can we stay ahead of the game? These are all important questions that need to be addressed in order to make truly informed pricing decisions. But the challenges don't stop there. Even when businesses think they're doing everything right, they can still struggle to determine the right price. This is because pricing is often a complex and multifaceted issue that involves many different variables. So, what's really going on here? Are we just throwing darts at a board and hoping we hit the right price? Or is there a more systematic approach we can take? When it comes to pricing decisions, there are many factors at play. There's market demand, of course. If there's high demand for your product or service, you can generally charge a premium. But then there's the competition. How do they set their prices, and how can you stay ahead of the game? And let's not forget about psychological pricing techniques. Things like anchoring, scarcity, and social proof can all influence customer purchasing decisions. In addition to these external factors, there are also internal factors to consider. What are your business goals, and how do they impact your pricing strategy? Are you trying to maximize revenue or minimize costs? Do you have a specific profit margin in mind, or are you more focused on market share? All of these questions can affect the prices you set. As we dig deeper, we start to uncover some surprising insights. For instance, did you know that the number 9 is a powerful pricing anchor? That's right, prices ending in 9 are perceived as being significantly cheaper than prices ending in 0. It's a subtle difference, but it can make a big impact on customer purchasing decisions. You may choose to end your prices with 0 to give the illusion they are not cheap. And then there's the power of scarcity. When items are scarce, they become more desirable and valuable. But what really drives pricing decisions? Is it market demand, competition, or something else entirely? After digging deep into the data, I've come to a surprising conclusion. The real driver of pricing decisions isn't what you think it is. It's not about maximizing profit or minimizing costs. It's about telling a story. The prices you set are a reflection of the value you offer to customers and the story you tell about your product or service. As we wrap up this exploration of pricing decisions, I want to leave you with a few key takeaways. Pricing is a complex issue that involves many different factors, from market demand to psychological pricing techniques. But the real key to success lies in telling a compelling story about your product or service. So what do you think? Do you have any favorite pricing strategies or tips to share? Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about pricing strategies, be sure to check out our other videos.